Hello, I'm Addison.
And I'm Janelle.
And we are going to be teaching you how to make a tie-dye cake.
We're the best to teach this because we love to bake, we're very responsible, and we have fun doing it.
We are going to be using a kitchen and an oven, so these are the materials we need. We need 6 small bowls, 1 fork, a whisk, a measuring cup, vegetable oil, 3 eggs, classic gel food colors, they need to be gel, any type of icing you want, it doesn't really matter, just white cake or vanilla cake, 2 pans that are sprayed and floured, and a big bowl for everything else. Okay, so you have to set the oven to 350. Oh, just kidding. Okay, there. Okay. There we go.
So you gotta crack the eggs.
3 of them.
And make sure no shells get in.
I cracked this one really bad. Okay, give me. I'll throw it out.
And then you need a half a cup of olive oil.
Or any oil that you prefer. Alright, so now we are going to add a cup of water. Right, okay.
Okay, so you put the cake mix with the rest of the mix. All of it. And then you whisk it with a whisk. Make sure you don't hurt yourself with it too.
Because this is a very big safety hazard.
Equal amounts of the mix into 6 bowls.
Okay, so we're going to put the food coloring into the bowls with the mix in it now. And mix it up.
And it can be any color you want.
Yeah, you can make different colors with the mix. Okay, that looks pink, but that's okay.
Right now we're making red.
That's good, that's good, that's good. It's gonna taste like food coloring. Okay.
So, we made red with the dye. Cheez-It orange. Banana yellow. Granny Smith green. Blue. And a pretty purple.
Okay.
Now you gotta pour the red on the pan just so it spreads it out. Make sure you get everything in the bowl.
Every single little bit.
This is what the red would look like. And then you put the orange on top.
There's a lot more orange than there is red.
Because it would spread it out. Then the yellow. So do it in the order of the rainbow.
If you want. You don't really have to, but we are.
The green.
Ooh. Yes. It's okay.
Next is the blue.
Boy.
And the purple.
Oh. Teddy!
You can do a design.
Anything you want, really. We're going to put it in the oven.
That's at 350.
Teddy, you should check every 10 minutes to make sure it's ready, just in case it burns or something. And check if it's ready with the fork by putting it in and taking it out. See if the cake comes off on it. Got it?
Okay, now we're gonna check it. It's almost ready. Now it's done.
Okay, so we took it out of the oven, but you want to make sure it cools down for at least 30 minutes before you do anything to it, like cut it or ice it.
You can't see.
It's okay. Okay, so we cut the cake into one piece. Now we're just gonna ice this one piece. Okay, first the knife. There we go, like this.
You can use a spatula to spread the icing or a knife, whichever you prefer.
What's that called? Is that called spatula? Okay. I don't really know what that's called.
Now we're just going to ice the whole cake.
With white icing.
Yeah, with white icing. You could probably dye the icing if you didn't like the colors.
You can make it even more rainbow.
Yeah. So. Thank you so much for watching us make a tie-dye cake.
Hope you enjoyed and learned a lot. And remember the safety rules with the oven and the whisk.